Eysturoyar Handicraft was established on the 17th of April 1985 with the goal of helping to preserve and promote the art of local handicraft. The hope was that the association could collectively be a viable source of guidance on local handicraft techniques, as well as a sponsor of selected courses in handicrafts for the general public. Moreover, creating a viable outlet for local artisans was seen as a way to help ensure that their distinctive work could reach a wider market and fetch a more competitive price. The outlet is located on the main route through Saltengara and offers a wide variety of homemade Faroese handicrafts. In addition, the store offers specialty Faroese goods from other producers. One product in particular is especially well known. The so-called Jens Martin cap became an instant symbol of Faroese football when goalkeeper Jens Martin Knudsen wore this particular cap during the historic football match with Austria in 1990, where the Faroese scored the only and winning goal. Subsequently, the cap went into mass production and continues to sell well. That famous match proved to be an excellent advertisement both for Faroese football and Faroese knitwear.